How to make a profitable dropshipping website with WordPress. Creating a profitable dropshipping website with WordPress is all about smart setup, seamless automation, and strategic marketing. You don't need inventory, shipping logistics, or a warehouse. It's just a well-built site and the right suppliers. So, first start with a reliable hosting provider and register your domain name. Use providers like SiteGround, Hostinger, or Bluehost for fast, secure hosting. Now go ahead and install WordPress and WooCommerce. So on WordPress, go ahead and search for WooCommerce on the plugins marketplace and then go ahead and install and activate it. This will help you manage your products, payments, and orders on WordPress. After that, you need to go ahead and choose a theme and page builder. So click on Appearance and then click on Themes under that, and then go ahead and use a responsive theme such as Flatsum, Astra, or Neve. So these are themes that are actually highly recommendable since they are responsive, which means that if ever you access them on different devices, you'll be able to view it compatible still. And then after that, you need to install Elementor or UX Builder for a drag and drop customization. Connect to a dropshipping supplier. So you can go ahead and use plugins or platforms to import products. To get the AliDropship plugin, you'll need to go ahead and search for alidropship.com and buy the plugin on their website. Import products with descriptions, images, and pricing, and then customize your store. Add a logo, fave icon, and brand colors, and then create essential pages such as home, shop, about, contact, fact, policies, and set up menus and navigation. After that, you need to set up the payments and shipping. Enable Stripe, PayPal, or local gateways like Razorpay, and then configure shipping zones and rates. Offer free shipping or flat rates to simplify checkout. And then once you're done with this, you can go ahead and launch and market your store. And that is how you can basically make a profitable dropshipping website with WordPress. Don't forget to optimize your store for SEO and speed. You can use Yoast SEO or Rank Math SEO for this.